What's up guys, it's been a while. In this video we're gonna fix the clutch pump of my Jeep. So apparently my Jeep broke down yesterday. Thank you to ZZ for helping me out. I changed the slave clutch pump yesterday on the road with ZZ, but apparently it still fails, and then now we're gonna open up the clutch master pump, which is on the top, to show you guys how the problem is. Actually sounds normal, but then when you fully throttle the car, I cannot see the RPM is not alive. See, he wouldn't go. So let's start. Ta-da! So we have to take that out. Oh, the engine bay damn hot. A few bolts around there. Just gonna wait for the engine bay to cool off, then we take it out. Bam, done. Have to take out that bolt, and then inside the car, this is the thing we have to like, this is the thing we have to unhook, then the pump can come out on the other side. Yeah, that's all. Let's get to it. Yeah. So pedal is already unhooked. Yay! So uses a pin to hook to that clutch pump. Just gotta unhook. That's it. So now we gotta open this pump. See, but what is the thing that we need to unhook? Can't say. Yo, this wiring cannot be nicer. When you unscrew this line, the brake fluid is gonna flow out like water. Cannot use crack because okay, wait, this is not tool. Sana, this wiring. Can't wait to tidy up this wiring. This wiring is shit, man. But it won't be soon. Wait, susah. It feels easy to turn. Tapi sekali pusing, ya lebih keras nak mampus. Panas tangan saya because of this brake fluid. This is so annoying. Is there no faster way to do this? There's a nut inside the car, so that's why I couldn't open it. Now I have to open that nut from inside. I wonder what size is it. So let me open the nut from inside. Okay, I've took out the inside nut. Oh yes, comes out like water, man. Yes, my clutch pump is out. When is water fountain? Oh! According to what ZZ say, when your fluid, you flush it and then it's like still brown, meaning your pump is ready. Yeah, it looks neat light. It looks pretty. It's oh, I wonder what pump is this. So we're gonna bring this to Steven tomorrow at Tonkit and try to see whether he can. To be honest, I don't know what clutch pump this is, but whatever it is, pretty sure he can find it. But yeah, continue tomorrow. I woke up early today to get the clutch pump. We are going to Tonkit. clutch is already with me, so that's the clutch. Similar, but a bit different. As you can see, this thing is supposedly the one that's stuck to the pedal. This thing is the one supposedly stuck to the pedal. The problem is this thing, this part goes to the pedal, and the previous one looks like that. Dude, it's totally different No! Whatever it is, let's just put this in. Why do you do this? End up, I stick back the old pump because this new pump apparently the mounting point is different, so I have to custom make. I have to like modify the clutch pedal a little bit. Then the biggest problem is this. Apparently the one on the Jeep is larger, so this, how am I supposed to take this out? So this hole, this hole is very small to enter that thread on the firewall, so I don't plan to make this hole larger. I want to use back this thread. So then I'm gonna bring this car to Alvin today or tomorrow, not sure, and try to fit in this whole thing and let it get connected to the clutch pedal, so that next time I don't have to do any more modification when the clutch pump spoils. Just throw in the whole thing in, settle. Yes, Alvin, king of custom. Yes, it's the weekend and we are going to Alvin's workshop to custom those pedal shit and whatnot. So let's head to Alvin. Reverse kancil performance. This is a bolt-on kancil 1000cc with aftermarket oversized piston. Gimana masuk dia punya reverse ini? Not that difficult to drive. Oh my god, no power steering, just like my Jeep. I miss the drive. I miss driving this. The feel of this kancil, so cute and small compared to that. But yeah, we already arrived at Alvin. Now time to move my car. Hey, already at Alvin's workshop. Oh, apa ni? Oh, barbecue again. Ini hari wiring kabeleta. Apa nama engine tu teh? EL 2EL. Oke, tu kepakaran di depan. Boleh lah. belajar. Lama-lamaan tahun baru cabut lah. Tapi finishingnya bukan macam tu. Sisinya fit semua. Itu macam lah bos. Oh.
On mai, ni friend เราya punya mai. Senang je.
Video jalan tak?
Video jalan ha.
Q. Dah jamin mulai. Tak
Bos eh.
Wah. Mana buka tak?
Betul telinga biar klip dekat mana simpan.
Cuci mesin dulu.
Dia.
Dia kah?
Ni ada? Tu patah tu. Sini.
Oh. Oh.
Kau nombor sak apa macam duduk.
Hah? Itu kah?
Ha.
Dia duduk.
Bang tu. Ini Tuhan. Ben. Oh.
Itu tepi lah. Kalau ni macam lagi bagus lah.
Tapi
Berdaya saja tu.
itu macam. Ya Ebin. Ngam.
Ini yang press pump.
Hey, please make my life easy. Yeah. Hey, terus panah aku. Yeah. Come on, Clash. Please, don't be so difficult. Host custom lagi, aduh. Clutch is already in. We have brought home the Jeep from Alvin's workshop. The clutch is already done and did a few modifications to it. So there's like a plate. Can see. There's like a plate holding the power steering, holding the clutch pump, the master clutch pump, which had to like modify a little bit to install the clutch pump. It was so difficult to put in. The pump is already in, but it seems like it's a bit leaking because you can see like it's a bit wet. But yeah, install the new, it's not new, but the steel braided connects. The steel braided connects all the way here and to a normal clutch line to the bottom. I had to change it to the steel braided one because this is my previous line. So this is still wet, and this thread is apparently it couldn't go into the new pump. It can only go into the old pump because the new pump's thread hole is way larger. We had to change it to use larger one unless I changed a new pump. And plus this line, it has like pinching, meaning all this while I don't have a proper line. What? It was a different pump. It's similar pump, but the hole for the thread is different. But good news is already in. And now let's test the clutch. far it feels kind of good, but let's try to drive it a bit harder. I have refueled already. Try out the clutch. Pretty excited to try out the clutch because I've been living with the clutch that slips for like a very long time, months and months of sleeping. And let's see whether this clutch slips or not. Okay. Oh my god, the clutch damn soft, so soft. Wow. Okay, let's wanna try, but this car is blocking me. Hello. Can't hold my happiness. This is so fun. This is fun and exciting. Clutch is finally normal. The new clutch bites. Wow. The feeling of the bite, it's like it pushes you. Yo. I wanna try doing like a burnout, but I don't know. I'm scared that I'll screw up something else. Finally, guys, my clutch is done. It's been so long me trying to sort out this clutch. So that's all for today's video. I hope you guys like the content on clutch. I learned a lot of things doing this clutch, how to do custom clutch, how you want to custom mount it to your firewall, how you want to modify your pedal to fit in the I don't know what that metal stick coming out from that clutch pump is. It looks like a fork. Does it look like a fork? It does look like a fork. Yeah, those kind of stuff. Clutch custom. So if any of you guys wants to custom fit a clutch, you can find me. I've learned so much the past few days. So that's it, guys, for today's video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks to ZZ and Alvin as well, for helping me out with the hoses, especially Alvin telling me, suggesting me and give me some solution for the clutch. Without them, my custom life will be difficult. So I'll see you guys in the next video.